I was initially hesitant to tell people about my hair transplant, but if I can help someone like me, then I want to be a beacon for them. Hi, my name is Silver Hayes, and I came to ALVC to meet with Dr. Jarrous about some hair loss that I was having, and I brought in a quart bag of hair about how much I had been losing in less than a week's time. And it was very concerning to me, and I was very conscientious about it. So Dr. Jarrous was very kind and knowledgeable, and he told me that the issue was my hormonal levels and that I needed to balance them, and once I got them balanced, then I could come back and look into getting more services for my hair, such as a hair transplant, because if I didn't, then if we went ahead with the procedure, the hair follicles that he implanted would end up falling out anyway, so it would be a waste of my money. So I was very grateful to Dr. Jarrous for steering me in the right direction and showing me what the root of the issue actually was, which was my hormones. And I went out and I got my hormones balanced, and then I came back about a year later, and a crew from Beverly Hills came down to assist Dr. Jarrous in the hair transplant procedure. And I was extremely nervous in the beginning, but at the end, they had me laughing and we were like best friends. I healed quickly after the procedure, and it didn't take long at all before I could see the baby hairs growing back in, and I was able to go out in public and start being more confident and lift my head up high instead of always slouching down, and it built my confidence more than I ever expected it would, and it's just got thicker, and now I can pull my hair back in ponytails, and it's been absolutely the best choice I've ever made. The staff made me feel right at home and made me feel very comfortable and just answered any question that I had. If you're feeling hesitant about having a procedure done, I would encourage you to at least come in and get a consultation, because Dr. Jarrous has the technology in his office to look at your hair follicles and diagnose to see what's actually going on with your hair. The number one thing that I admire about Dr. Jarrous and ALVC is that he didn't just take my money and have me perform a procedure that wasn't going to be beneficial to me. He was honest with me, and he put my health first. Since then, I've came in for other aesthetic therapies, and I've gotten wonderful results, and my skin is a lot better than it used to be in the past, and I am still getting great results with my hair. I really know the depths of despair, because you can't go out with somebody seeing your hair. It's an accessory that you have on you for the rest of your life. So I would definitely recommend coming to ALVC for them to help you with any hair needs that you may have, because they really help me.